Ambassador Project was born from a vision that urged us to raise our standards, to push beyond limits, and to pursue the Crown Alpha Mentor rank. This movement is driven by faith, and through His will, it became a reality.
Marami kaming naririnig, hindi kami ganito, hindi kami ganyan. Pero hindi pala tao ang magdidikta ng resulta mo. Ang Diyos ang magdidikta.
Commitment turned into progress. Milestones became movements leaders grew. With each rank earned, our impact has become louder, more powerful, and unstoppable. From Luzon to Mindanao, we united leaders with vision and passion to inspire the next generation. With God's grace, we move forward, more than a movement, but a legacy in the making.
Gayahin mo lang kung ano ginagawa ng mentor mo. Kung ano ang pinapagawa sa'yo, kahit di mo pa naiintindihan sa umpisa kung bakit pinapagawa sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang. Sundan mo lang, alisin mo yung duda, mag-submit ka pa rin. Bakit? Kasi pinagdaanan na ng mga mentor mo yan.
Morning po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, sobrang first time ko pong ma-experience itong yacht club na to and fun ride po ng iAmbassador. Kaya sobrang po akong honored and blessed to be part of this company and of this group as well. Kaya maraming salamat po sa aming Papshi, First Gerald Silva, and of course our Mamshi, Cory Silva sa ganitong experience po. It was fun and amazing experience. Guys, kayo na dapat ang susunod dito. Kaya naman, let's go everyone! Let's go iAmbassador! Let's go have fun!
Ayun guys, grabe! Napaka-exciting na naman yung araw na ito dahil first time natin ma-experience ang yacht party dito sa may Subic. No? So sponsored by, of course, our iAmbassador captain na si Mentor Fritz Silva and Cory Silva. So para sa mga nagnanais din maka-experience nito guys, grabe no? I-workout na natin ang IAM Worldwide only here at IAM Worldwide.
We've already accomplished successful milestones, remarkable achievements, and meaningful relationships. But this is just the beginning.